Mike Hughes here. I'm at DropHog spearfishing, Go Hog Wild, and as it were. And I'm here with Mark. And Mark, you want to tell us a little bit about your new line of spearfishing gear?
Sure. This is new for 2023. It's the DropHog Valhala Ragnarok. Comes in a 75 class and a 90 class. It's got prime line latex, top quality latex. Comes with a reel, 50 meters of Dacron line, and it also comes with the shark tooth shaft. All standard equipment. Comes with comes equipped with a right hand grip, but it also will come with a universal ambidextrous grip if you choose to put that on.
Well, it's kind of nice because if you like getting bass with your right hand, but you prefer cod with your left hand,
that's it.
You're ready to go.
You're ready to go either way.
Perfect. And if they want more information about these, well, and I noticed they're all Norwegian because that's the same with Thor right now.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. And if they want more information, they would go to DropHog.com.
DropHog.com, one word. And we have a plethora of other gadgets and attachments that you can
view online.
You can view all that online.
Cool.
You can request a catalog.
Oh, look, there's already a lionfish in the middle of the glove there. Yeah,
those gloves are actually really nice too. They've got some knuckle protection for rocks and coral and whatnot. Nice hook and loop closure. Extremely grippy silicone on the palms. Even a little terry cloth mask wipe on the thumb.
They're going to want that if they just want to play pickleball.
That's it. They'll work for that too, for sure.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Mark.
Thank you.